Welcome to Modern Stoic. Most men give weak compliments that women forget in 30 seconds. But say the right three and shall be lying in bed replaying your words on a loop, imagining you disarrange you, needing your presence. These are wrench-easy lines. These are psychological triggers used by stoic, emotionally grounded men who command attention without chasing. Part 1. Why most compliments make you look weak. Weak compliments make you look weak. Let's start with the hard truth. Most men compliment women from a place of lack. They say things like, "You're so beautiful," "You're amazing," "You're perfect." Sounds nice, right? Wrong. These compliments are generic, desperate, and worst of all, they putter above you. And when you pedestalize a woman with your words, she might smile, but deep down, she loses a bit of attraction because you've just revealed something. You're trying to win her. You're seeking approval. That's not masculine. That's not stoic. And it's definitely not seductive. A woman wants to be seen, not praised like a goddess. She wants to feel like you're the prescient your attention is earned, not given freely to every woman who wears mascara. Stoic power, tip stoic power. Tip Marcus Aurelius never begged to be understood. He observed, has spoke less with more weight. Be the man whose compliment feels like a reward, not a strategy. Actionable advice. Before you give any compliment, ask, am I giving this because I admire her or because I want her to like me? Only one insert keeps you attractive. Part 2. Compliment number 1. Compliment number 1. There's something dark in your eyes. I like it. This isn't about her makeup. This is psychological sect. By saying this, you're not flattering her. You're reading her. You're speaking to her inner world, not her appearance. You're creating mystery. Why? It works. It's unexpected. It implies depth. It flips the power. Nash wonders what you see in her. It's the kind of line that makes her curious, makes her think about you when she's alone. Because it doesn't just compliment her. It plants a seed in her. An imagination is the gateway to desire. Stoic insight. A stoic man speaks with precision. Not too fun, not too emotionally, but when he speaks, his words penetrate deeper than flattery ever could. Practical usage. Compliment number 2. Say it in a low, calm voice. Look into her eyes. Say it. Then stay silent. Let her sit with the mystery. Part 3. Compliment number 2. You feel dangerous. I like women who know their power. This one is magnetic because it appeals to her feminine shadow. Most women hide their seductive nature behind social masks. But when you acknowledge it without judgment, you liberate her. You're not praising her looks. You're ratioing that you see the wild, intuitive, sensual force behind her eyes. You're giving her permission to be fully feminine around you. And her rest secret. The feminine wants to be seen by a masculine man who's not afraid of her energy. This compliment makes her feel powerful, but not above you. Tells her, you're dangerous, but I'm not afraid. In fact, I like it. And that flips the script. Now, you becometh one she tries to impress. Stoic insight. True masculinity isn't about controlling women. It's about containing energy without being consumed. This compliment shows you can hold space for her chaos. Practicalisage. Use this one when she's teasing, playing, or challenging you. It turns your fire into fascination. Part 4. Compliment number 3. You'll feel safe around me, don't you? Say it like a statement, not a question. This only is subtle, but devastatingly favict. Most men try to prove they're safe, but the stoic man assumes it. He projects it. This line creates intimacy. It tells her you're not just another guy. You're tuned in to the emotional undercurrent. You're aware why it works. It reframes you as the leader of the interaction. It builds trust without trying. It gives her an emotional languor. Safety is the doorway to surrender. And a woman only surrenders to a man she feels emotionally claimed be. You're not asking for her approval. You're showing her that you already knows impact. You're having on her conclusion. Compliment like a stoic alpha. Forget the cliches. Forget they are so pretty nonsense. If you want her to fantasize about you, if you want their mind spinning at night, replaying your words, then stop complimenting her like a boy, speak like a man. From calm, from presence, from emotionality, durship, these three compliments are not lines. They are frames. Frames that position you as a high value, grounded, stoic. Masculine force she can't ignore. Call to action. Comment. No more weak compliments. If you're done saying like hyph, this video gave you real psychological game. Subscribe to Modern Stoic for weekly content on emotional mastery, masculine energy, and seduction with stoic presence. Share this with a man who needs to upgrade his words on this frame.